Hi, how are you? Are you good? Up this way. This way. Up this way. Okay. Nice to see you. These tuk-tuk drivers behind me, clapping at me and shouting. They must be like sitting there all day. There's a train every 3 hours or something. They see an obvious looking tourist, white face, selfie stick. They think, oh, a fare at last. I'm going to earn a bit of money after 3 hours waiting. Nah, your man here has got 2 strong legs. Village off Ohiya, 1774 metres above sea level. Somebody's wee house there, that's nice, isn't it? I got satellite TV as well. Look, you can live in this rural area, still enjoy watching live Premiership football matches or whatever. Look at this place. It's the railway station down there. The train tracks I've just came from. Lovely. Oh, it's got a collar on it at least. Belongs to somebody. Probably friendly. Looks like this is the local post office. Another dog there. Sub post office, obviously. It's not like it's going to be some major post office. Probably gets mail picked up from it like once a week or something like that. Plenty of dogs. Don't see any humans around here. Hello, friendly doggy. Don't bite me. I don't want another incident like India. Oh, you following me? That's nice. Aren't you a little cutie? You don't have a collar on, which makes me wonder if you've had your vaccinations and all that. Okay. Further railway track down there. Something I'm thinking would be quite nice if you had a lot of time. Look at these leaves blowing around, that's nice. Something I think would be quite nice if you had a lot of time is just to hike along the rail tracks all the way, and every 4 or 5 stations each day sleep in a new town over the period of a week or something like that. That might be a cool little travel project for somebody. Looks like this is the village temple. Nobody around. Still don't want to disrespect the place by going in with my bare knees. I know they don't really like that. I guess that's where people in the village come to make merit. Oh, I guess it's Buddhist, right? I guess that's where they come to make merit and all that. Would you look at this? Would you look at this? Beautiful. What a beautiful, secluded part of the world, part of the country, part of central Sri Lanka. And I guess that must be World's End up there. Right, we're only 3/4 kilometre away, so about 75 to 80% of the hike from the railway station has been done. And this is absolutely stunning. If this is where I'm staying, somewhere around here with a view like that, hopefully the view out my window is like something like this. I'll be loving it, at least for one night. That would be lovely. Look at this place. Just keep the camera rolling, shall I? And soak this in. Oh. Look at it. Imagine living here. Imagine you're just like the hotel owner and this is your life. How stress free. You'll never have high blood pressure. Just living a stress free life. Living in this valley. Meeting and greeting people who come to your eco lodge. What a life that must be. Let's go and meet this fella anyway. Oh aye, looks like that's us here, Hill Safari, and we do have the view of this valley, this beautiful valley down here. Hopefully my room is one of the ones that's facing outside rather than just facing that other building that's opposite it. It looks brand new, purposely built. I wonder if they just bought a plot of land and then just said that's where we're going to build a guest house and it's going to be brilliant. Good afternoon, how are you?
You're walking from the station?
Yeah, I work from Patipola station.
Right, oh.
Yeah, because I like exercise.
Oh, good.
Yes, it's good. Feel good in my lungs.
Yeah.
And you living here?
Yeah.
This your place, Hill Safari? Oh, this is where I'm checking in.
Yeah. You're there.
Yeah, I'm Dale. Yeah, you're expecting me.
Yeah.
Pleased to meet you.
Okay.
Pleased to meet you. Ah, okay.
Husband is there.
Your husband is there? Okay, I'll go meet him.
Because I came here because my phone,
Uh-huh.
mobile works somewhere there.
I work somewhere there, but not in there. Okay.
Wi-Fi is there.
Oh, but you have Wi-Fi.
Yes,
That's the most
okay.
important thing. What's your husband's name?
Yomal.
Yumal?
Yes.
Okay, I'll go speak to him now. Okay, thank you. Very friendly woman. Look at this. She pronounced my name right as well. How many foreigners pronounce my name correctly and not call me Dali, something not resembling Dale. She got it right. Right. Okay. Hello. How are you? I'm Dale.
Hello.
I think I just met your wife out there. Pleased to meet you.
Hello.
Hi. This camera, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, today checking in. Yeah, only one night.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, I need to give you money though, right?
No, you can pay later.
I'll pay later. Okay.
You go.
Okay.
If I can have your passport.
Okay, I'll give you my passport. Okay. Now you got a foosball table, nice. You good?
Hello.
Yeah, I stopped 1 p.m. I stopped at the polo, and now 4 p.m. So 3 hours hiking. It's good exercise.
Good. Today we are having all adventurous people.
Really? Oh, good.
Yeah. One on bike.
One on bike, huh?
Two on bicycles.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The bicycles, they came from where?
They have come from lower area.
Newer area.
They bicycle all the way from Nowhere earlier.
Yeah.
Wow, that is
And
adventurous.
bike, can you guess motorbike from where? From Gaul.
From Gaul all the way on a motorbike.
Yeah.
I was.
Dale has come all the way from Patipol.
And a lady.
Yes.
Lady who came with a motorbike.
Lady came on a motorbike all the way from Gaul. Wow, that is adventurous.
Yeah, so all for today.
Yeah.
We are having four
Oh,
adventurous
the
people.
tuk-tuk men will be angry. They don't get the money for the tuk-tuk.
No, today you're good that you walk.
Yes.
Because today in in Ohiya,
Yes.
some
It's a funeral.
Oh, there's a funeral. Ah, okay.
So all the tuk-tuks should have gone there.
Ah, there were 2 tuk-tuks there. They seemed not happy that I not need to use their service. Yeah, yeah. They're like, where do you go? Where? Wait, we are here. Tuk-tuk. No, I have 2 legs. I need tuk-tuk. Have 2 legs. Lovely.
Dinner at 7 o'clock.
7 o'clock. Dinner included, or is this pay extra for dinner?
No.
Is
Dinner and breakfast.
dinner and breakfast included? Okay, so 7 o'clock.
Yeah.
Okay, good.
You can
And
have.
our breakfast tomorrow, if I'm doing
I'll
the
give you a breakfast pack.
breakfast pack. Okay, good. And you will arrange the tuk-tuk for me to wait 5:30.
Yeah.
So I just need to wake up, come 5:30, it will be here.
Yeah.
And I can come back and take a shower.
Yeah,
'cause
yeah.
I think I will be back like 9:30 or
Okay,
something.
okay,
Yeah,
yeah,
you know.
yeah.
Okay, thank you. Okay. Ah, lovely. Oh, very nice. It's a very nice room. How many years this Eco Lodge been open? When you opened this place? How many years?
Starting in a small way, about 16 years ago.
16 years ago, but it was more small than
Yeah,
this.
but recently only, last 6 years only we expanded this.
Oh, so this part is 6 years
years.
ago. Oh, okay. It still looks like new.
4 years.
Yeah. Oh, wow. It still looks like brand new, like you made it this year. I seen when I'm walking, I said, oh, wow, this building, it looks brand new, not like the older buildings, yeah. It's very nice. And it's okay to walk around in here, yes?
Yeah.
Everyone is friendly.
You can go in front of the old building, then you from there actually. You can see that side.
Okay, good. Okay.
Okay, you can-
Okay, thank you. It was nice to talk to you. I see you at dinner time. Okay, see you. Okay.
If you want to put this, you can cover up this, okay?
I'll cover up these before I take a shower, so nobody's seeing me. Okay, okay. People walking past from here, yes.
No, nobody comes
Nobody
here.
come. Oh, this is only for me. This whole place. Oh, very nice. Okay, thank you, sir. Okay, lovely. Oh, I'm loving this. Look at this. The whole top deck is mine. Nice bathroom. Hopefully, hot water coming out of that. What is down here? And there's my room right there. Looks like I've left the lights on. Naughty. Not very eco-friendly, is it? Didn't do that on purpose. So I'm taking a wee stroll down next to this derelict building. I just felt rain on my arm and those clouds are black. Please don't let it be raining tomorrow morning. Getting up, leaving at 5:30 AM to go start this hike. But look at this view. Lovely. So just out for a brisk stroll in the local area. Less than an hour of daylight left. It's not going to stop me having a wee explore, a wee adventure, maybe even a wee jog. Still full of energy. Let's see what's over here. Lady picking tea there. She must work right until dusk. There's only about half an hour worth of daylight left. Look at this wee farm down there. They're growing tea and they've got a couple of cows. I wonder if that's like I've got some chickens there as well and they're doing something else. I wonder if that's just a family who live there and that's how they support themselves, this wee farm. They've just got their own wee plot of land. Aye. I'd like to go down and speak to them. Doubtful they speak any English. Looks like this is somebody's house. I don't know if they're welcoming or not. I think probably not. I'm waving at the guy, he's not waving back. What am I going to do? Hello. How are you? Okay, maybe I'll go and just shake his hand. This your house? Oh, it's very nice. It's beautiful. I really like your plants. This farm for you? This farm, your farm? Ah, very nice. Your dog? Oh, what's the dog name? Hey, doggy. Friendly dog? Or bite? Not bite, not bite. What's your name? Pleased to meet you. My name Dale. You speaking English? No, a little bit. No. No. This farm for you. Farm for. I can go down to. Go? Oh, thank you. I will go down. Have a wee look. Thank you. Thank you. This way? Okay. Thank you. Okay. Seems friendly. He almost no English, but he said, I think he understood me go, and he nodded his head. So I'm going to go down and explore. Uh-oh. Is this the way down or not? Okay. Oh, whoop. I think this is the way down, or I think I'm going down a stream. I'm going to slip and fall on my arse, aren't I? I think that's what I'm going to do. Because this steps is also where the water's coming down, which isn't too convenient. Okay, looks like I'm going to blindside them because they're around there. So they're going to get a wee surprise when I just walk around the corner. And they're going to go, who is this ghost come to haunt us? Soggy. Here we go. Hello. Nobody here. I hear people. Hello. I come to say hello. Only come to say hello. Is okay? I just want to look. This very beautiful farm. You working on the farm? Oh, this is very nice. Just want to take a look. What is your name? Your name? Majukwan. My name Dale. Pleased to meet you. Okay, that's very nice. Now you finish working, sleep. There's now sun come down. Yes, sun come down, you sleep. Good. Okay, me, I'm staying in the hill safari. Yeah, that's very nice. This man and woman, very nice man and woman. This hill safari. Okay, nice to meet you. Okay, okay. See you. See you, bye bye. Okay. Oh, hello. I just come to say hello only. No English. No, no English, I know, but hello, hello. Just hello, hello. Okay, see you. Bye bye. Oh, there he is. Bye bye. I trampled all over his seeding or whatever it was he was doing, planting something, and trying to get out of there. I was stepping all over it, and I mean, I'm pretty decent at reading people's body language. I'm saying he was pissed off. He was pissed off, but still trying to be somewhat friendly, but also somewhat perplexed. And what is this guy doing here? Because they're still staring at me as I walk away. Maybe they're just making sure I do get the hell away from their farm. I'm back, and that water looks like it's starting to heat up. Let's see what we've got here. Please be hot, please be hot. Come on. Starting off cold. It's warming up. It's warming, it's boiling. It's boiling, yes. Heaven. That is what you call heaven. Up there. Okay, so just finishing up the World's End hike. There'll be another video about that, but I'm just about to go back to the Eco Lodge, get a quick shower and check out. I stayed at Eco Lodge. Lovely, lovely couple, lovely place, and bargain. Well, here I am, back at Ohiya train station. Just checked out that hill safari, Eco Lodge, and the nice wee couple who live there, they gave me a discount because I'm a single person. I was expecting to pay like $62 a night. It ended up being $54 a night because the price apparently included the dinner and the breakfast, so an absolute bargain. What would you get in your country for $54 a night? I know in my country you definitely wouldn't get dinner, breakfast and a beautiful view of the valleys. You might get a view of a shooting up gallery for the junkies, if you could find any accommodation for that price. But it was a lovely stay. I recommend it if anybody is coming here to do the World's End hike. That is the place to stay. I'm going to leave a wee link in the description if anybody wants to book that hotel. And for now, that's the video. Give me a wee thumbs up and a subscription if you want to see more. See you later.